with each video looking like a Hollywood-level movie, surpassing even the top filmmakers on YouTube. This guy doesn't need a crew. And in this video, I will tell you exactly what makes Gawx stand out from everyone else on YouTube and try to deconstruct how he became a master in all areas of video creation. But first, let's look into how he started out and got to 2 million subscribers. Part 1. Who is Gawx? If you haven't heard of him before, Gawx is a 20-year-old artist known for creating vibrant doodles and diverse characters, for which he is often recognized for. And although his art is impressive, it's the videos that make you fall in love.
You may think that things like sharpness or camera movement are the most important aspects, but it is much more simple than that. It all comes to lighting.
Part 2. How he got here. His passion for art started at a very early age, but he didn't take it too seriously until later on in life. On July 10th, 2017, Gawx made his first Instagram post, and less than a year later, he uploaded his first video on YouTube. The quality is nowhere near his current level, but it was enough to impress people and gradually improve these skills even more as his passion grew. Of course, his parents also play an important role, as they provided him with his first creative tools and helped with videos and managing his social media accounts. As of making this video, Gawx now has 2.15 million subscribers and uses expensive high-level gear such as his current camera, the Sony Alpha FX3. He also uses studio lights, sliders, tripods, smoke machines, and more. However, making great videos doesn't require investing a lot of money. In fact, anyone can start with what they already have. Because what I'm about to mention, anyone can learn. So how does Gawx create these cinematic masterpieces? It's simple. He becomes a master in these 6 fields, starting with 1. Outstanding cinematography and editing. Taking inspiration from movies and music videos, as well as spending hundreds and thousands of hours into learning different techniques and taking classes to become a pro. Everything from technicalities and theories to execution and post-production, as well as trusting his own intuition. Gawx learned from the best to become the best himself. 2. Storytelling. Every good video, movie, and TV show has a structure. The absolutely simplest way to break it down is into a beginning, middle, and end. There's different types of structures that often include a hook, a problem, and resolution. That's the core of video making. It's what makes the viewer anticipate what will happen next. Gawx once again does this really well. He makes countless ideas for videos that tell a story. Only after finding the right idea, he can move on to execution. 3. Sound design. Without it, you can throw away your entire video because it's I'm just kidding. But sound design can either make or break your video. So if you want your videos to go from good to great, mastering it is essential. That's what sets the mood and makes the viewer really connect with what they're watching. Gawx takes his time in looking for the perfect music for each video he makes. Through using sound design, Gawx makes each moment feel special in its own way. 4. Entertainment. Apart from Gawx's outstanding video production and art skills, it wouldn't be the same if it didn't have some lighthearted jokes.
Adding some sexy lines using the iPad Pro.
His cute dogs doing dog things and vibrant music that makes you feel like you're not just watching through a digital device, alone. This is what uplifts and puts people in a good mood when watching his videos and make them crave more. 5. Consistency with on-screen presence. Gawx includes things in his videos unique to him and his fans, starting from inside jokes, hidden Easter eggs, to unique catchphrases. Gawx can be recognized in multiple ways, and most of all, this strengthens the bond between him and the people supporting him. 6. Thumbnails. Every good YouTuber knows how important a thumbnail is. That's the first impression someone gets, and it will determine whether they will click on the video or not. His thumbnails are high quality, simple, intriguing, and vibrant. They perfectly convey what the video is about and can intrigue even people who don't care about art as much. I hope you learned something new today. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe, or I'll eat you.